Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla, and here we love to talk about all things luxury beauty, luxury makeup, high-end beauty, high-end makeup. Again, I don't know why I always say both of those because they're kind of the same thing. But anyways, you get the idea. So if that's something that you're interested in, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our little family here on YouTube. And if you're not following me on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. So if you're not new to my channel, you know that I absolutely love Chantecaille. So today I wanted to do a video and show y'all what all I actually picked up during the Chantecaille sale. Now I know this is a little late. There was an issue with one of my orders and I just now got everything in, but that's okay because it's all here. And if you stay tuned until the end, I have my first giveaway. Oh my God, it's so crazy. Like, I can't even believe that I'm doing it, but I'm so excited for y'all to see what it is. So if you want to see what I picked up during the Chantecaille sale, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up was this liner in the shade Olive Brocade. I have been dying to get this liner and oh my God, it does not disappoint. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for y'all on the back of my hand. Look at that beautiful olive green goodness. She is stunning. I have not been able to stop using it. It looks beautiful on my upper lash line. It looks beautiful in the lower waterline. It is just, whew, mwah, chef's kiss perfection. I absolutely love it. So I was so glad that this was restocked for the sale and that I was finally able to get my little hands on it. It's so beautiful. So next I picked up this super smoothing duo. It's got the Lifting Serum, a full size, and then a travel size of the Lifting Mask. This serum, y'all, is absolutely fantastic, okay? It is pricey, but this set, if it's still available, I'll definitely link it down below. But this set is a fantastic deal, even if it's full price, because this mask as well is absolutely incredible. And whenever I did my Chantecaille sale recommendations video, I talked a lot about this serum. It really provides like an instant lift for your face. Like if you let it sit there, it really lifts your face. And before I keep going, I know that this sounds like some kind of ad, but it is absolutely not. I wish it was, but it's really not. I just really love Chantecaille. So it comes in this cute little package. I haven't even opened it yet. Let me see. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. It's got this little pull tab, but I'm making it look a lot more difficult than I know it actually is. I can't get it open. Oh, because there's a sticker. Of course there's a sticker. It's just one of those days. This is a fantastic duo. I'm almost gone through an entire bottle of this serum. This is my backup. Keep getting sample upon sample upon sample of this mask. So I'm really glad to at least have a travel size of it. I absolutely love it. So next, I actually also picked up, I like to use sales to stock up on the stuff that like I know that I love and that I'm gonna use and that what I have I'm gonna run out of. So I also picked up a backup of my Rose de Mai Cream, which is my holy grail moisturizer. It's absolutely amazing. It's creamy, but it's more of like a gel base, so it just absorbs into your skin and creates a beautiful base for makeup. I do put my SPF on over it, but it just, oh gosh, it's so beautiful. And look at this packaging. It's just so luxe, so beautiful. It's got the pretty pink on the cap. It's just absolutely amazing. I'm not gonna open this one because once you open it, that's when it starts, you know, going bad, and I'm still on my other little tub of it. But this stuff is absolutely amazing. Also, I picked up, okay, so this is where it got kind of tricky. I ordered it was called the Bright Eyes Duo, which had the Stress Repair Concentrate and one of the Faux Cils Longest Lash Mascara. But somehow my order got sent somewhere else. I don't know, but Chantecaille customer service is absolutely fantastic. So it all got worked out, but I think they were sold out of the set. So I got sent them separately, but it does come, or did come, in a really cute little set when it was available in that set. So this is the Stress Repair Concentrate. This is my absolute Holy Grail eye cream. I put it under my eyes every morning and every evening, and then I take the excess and I run it along, like not on my top lip, but like right above it, to help with some of those little bitty lines that we start to get as we get older. And it's absolutely fantastic. And again, with all Chantecaille products, you need like the tiniest little amount. Like this little bitty jar here, I'll show it to y'all. This little, I know it's tiny, and I know you're like, oh my God, Kayla, that thing, there's no way. When I tell you this will last you at least 6 months, if not more, I promise you, that's how little you need. The time on the bottom is 12 months. So I'm on a tub of it right now. I'll try to figure out for y'all when I started using it, and then I'm gonna figure out how long. Like, I haven't even used up half of it, and I know that I've been using it for at least 6 months, I feel like. But I'll keep y'all posted, maybe over on Instagram, which if you're not following me over there, it's at beautybykaylak. Again, hashtag shameless plug. Anyways, it's fantastic. And then all of you know my love for this mascara. I don't even need to say anything. It's amazing. That's why I picked up yet another one. Okay, and last but certainly not least, I picked up the Lip Chic in Camellia. It's what I'm wearing on my lips today. I had a sample of this a while back, and the shade, there's like a reason why it's always sold out. It is just the most perfect, neutral, everyday pink. And if you haven't seen my perfect makeup tag video, then you should definitely watch it, because I definitely talk about the Chantecaille Lip Chic formula in general, but I'm so glad to finally have this shade. I'm gonna swatch it too on the back of my hand for y'all. Let me not get it mixed in with the Olive Brocade liner. So there it is. It's just, see what I may have pressed a little too hard. Whoops. See what I mean? It's just such a beautiful neutral pink, and it's not my typical peachy pink, because y'all know that I love my peachy pinks. And this one is a little warm, but overall it's pretty neutral, especially when I wear it on my lips. And I was able to get something with my points. So I got, I'm so excited about this. I got the elephant blush with my points. I think it was like 400 points, and I was able to get it, y'all. And as you can tell, it used to have a little overspray over the elephant, but I used it. Sorry, I couldn't wait. It's what I have on my cheeks today. This is only my second shade of this blush, but oh my God, it's so pretty. Here, I'll swatch it. It's kind of hard to see on my hand, but I did swatch it up here above the eyeliner. But that is the blush shade in Elephant. It's so pretty. And like I said, it is what I'm wearing on my face today. I have bronzer on, not the Chantecaille. It's actually the Wayne Goss Radiance Boosting Face Duo in light gold. But it's a beautiful, beautiful shade. And it's not quite, in my opinion, the other shade that I have is the Bee blush. And this one is definitely more neutral on me. The Bee blush is more of a corally, brighter pop of color on my cheeks. So that's what I picked up from the sale. I think I did okay, y'all. I didn't go too ham with it. I really just tried to stick to things that I needed and backups of skincare while it was on sale, because like I know that that's something that I'm gonna use and something that I'm gonna go through. I mean, I definitely could have gotten a lot more, but I used my self-control and I stopped at those products. But I think it's a great selection. I'm super happy with everything that I got. Their customer service when I had an issue was absolutely fantastic. Once we got it resolved, they literally expedited the shipping and it was here to me in like a day. So kudos to them, kudos to their customer service. So now, I want to tell y'all about the details of my giveaway. Okay, so since this is my first one, I of course had to have it be Chantecaille. Okay, of course. And I figured it would go along well with this video. So I am giving away, I'm so excited, y'all, one of the Faux Cils Longest Lash Mascara. I have so many of these, but I wanted to pick up one to give to one of my lovely subscribers so that you can experience the magic that is this mascara. And I'm also, this is not something that I picked up during the sale, I'm also giving away a Perfect Blur finishing powder in this Flower Power Collection packaging. So this is brand new. It hasn't been opened, it hasn't been touched, but it's in the shade light medium. I'm sorry, I should have mentioned that. It's in the shade light medium. So I am giving that away to one of you guys. So you will win the Chantecaille Faux Cils Longest Lash Mascara and the Perfect Blur finishing powder in the light medium shade in this beautiful Flower Power packaging. So I will leave all the details down below on how to enter. So really all I want you to do is you have to like this video, leave a comment down below with your favorite Chantecaille product or what you want to try from Chantecaille. And also please leave either your email or your Instagram handle down below so I can contact you if you win. And also part of it is to follow me on Instagram. So like this video, leave me a comment down below and follow me on Instagram. That's how to enter. All the details will be down below. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, like you don't even know. I'm so excited, y'all. So if you're interested in entering, just follow those 3 steps. It will open as soon as this video goes up, and then it will close on September 9th. So it's 2 weeks that you have to enter, and I will pick and announce the winner on Friday, September 10th. So I can't wait to hear from y'all. I cannot wait to do this giveaway. I'm so excited. Again, like this video, hit that subscribe. Obviously, you have to be subscribed to me as well. I don't know if I mentioned that. So that's 4 steps. Sorry, y'all. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below just so that I have your Instagram handle, your email, so I can contact you if you win, and follow me on Instagram. So yeah, can't wait to hear from y'all. Can't wait to see who wins this, and I'm so excited. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.